Hey guys, Yiji here from Meta.us, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create an account on Meta.us using Razer ID. So let's just get started. First click on it, and then we can register with Razer. Now I'll be taking you through the entire process, so we'll be creating a brand new account. Register a new one. And then just accept. And then we have to verify the email first. So let's accept the verification. So let's click on that and verify. So once you have verified successfully, go back to the screen and press next. And accept all. Then authorize. So once you're authorized, your Meta account will be created, and all you have to do is create a Meta profile. So let's say I want to create one for Counter-Strike. Now just enter in all your info. Make sure you choose a proper Meta.us name because this will be your final Meta.us ID. So once that's done, that's your account created. Hope you guys have found this helpful. If you guys have any questions, just email us at feedback@meta.us, and we'll see you around. Good luck for your competitions.